Hey, welcome back to the channel. So I've got another lighting video for you. So tonight I'm going to be installing some low beam and high beam LED lights from AUXITO.com. Website is AUXITO.com. Wanted to thank them for providing these lights for me to check out. So if you check out their website, they've got some LED bulbs on there. I saw some tire inflators, some jump boxes. They've got some off-road lights, different lighting fixtures and things like that. Got some seat covers on there, a few other accessories as well. So auxito.com, so you can check them out. All right, so this is a combination low beam and high beam bulb set. So I'm going to be putting this into a 2015 Toyota Highlander. So this kit, as you can see here, is a 9005 and H11. So the H11 is going to be the low beam, 9005 is going to be the high beam. There's a lot of cars that are using that combination now. We've also got a couple 2017 Accords that have that same lighting combination. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open the box in here. We'll check out and see what's inside, and then we'll go out and look at the Highlander, and then I'll show you what it looks like with the current lights, and we'll swap out one side so you can see a side-by-side comparison of them, and then I'll put the other side in, and you can see what it looks like with these lights installed as well. I also took a picture of, or a couple pictures of the current lights from a couple different perspectives out there. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's inside here. Let's see, here's the other side of the box. So you can look at some details there. 6500 is the color temperature, so they're gonna be really bright white looking. 50,000 hour life. These are supposed to be 800% brighter than the standard bulbs. So let's go ahead and check out the box here, see what's in there. Okay, so they've got a pair of gloves in there for installation. A user manual. Okay, so these are going to be complete plug and play. So it's going to take out the old ones and put in the new ones, and it should come right on. Okay, so they've got steps in there for all different variations of bulbs. Okay, information about the warranty, troubleshooting, things like that. All right, there's their socials. All right, so let's go out and check out the Highlander. All right, so here's our 2015 Toyota Highlander. So I've got the current bulbs already turned on, got the high beams on as well. Let's just take a look at the side of the house there. Okay, so you can kind of tell it has a little bit of a yellowish colors. The halogens tend to do. These are the projector style bulbs for the low beam. The high beams are just direct there, the reflector. Okay, so let's go ahead and throw in one side of the AUXITO bulbs and see what that looks like for a color difference and brightness difference here. Okay, got you set for a decent vantage point here. So for the light bulbs, it's important to wear these gloves because the oil in your hands can get on the lights, and then the lights get really hot and it can cause premature failure of the bulbs. So here's the replacement, the AUXITO bulbs. These things have their own cooling fans built into them. Okay, seems to be pretty standard for the new LEDs. The technology's come a long way recently, so they are true plug and play now. Okay, so really simple. We've got the low beam over here, high beam over here. We're just going to rotate, pull it out, unplug it, put in the new bulbs. making sure I've got the right ones here. Okay, so here's the H11. Okay, so let's do the low beam first. So a little twist, pull out. Okay. Got the number printed on it right here. So that's the H11. Okay. Bright 9005. Okay, 9005. Okay. All right, let's get rid of this light for now. Giant difference in color. This is all nice and white, modern looking on this side. And very yellow on this side. Okay, so let's compare on the wall here. I'm going to turn off these external lights. I'm also going to pull the car out onto the road, and I've got a picture of the halogens that I'll give you for comparison. Okay, got the passenger side installed as well. Really nice and modern looking, nice white color. You can even tell the difference looking at the side of the house, how bright white it is compared to before. Okay, I'm gonna pull this thing out in the street so you can get a sense. I'll show you the pictures I took with the halogen bulbs in there, and you can get a sense of the difference between the two. All right, I'll go ahead and shoot it as we're backing out of the driveway here. I went down to low beams for now. I'll get it back to the edge of the driveway like I took the picture a while ago. Yeah, you can tell a massive difference in the color of it. Okay, here's the brights. A lot brighter, a lot better visibility. So keep in mind that also translates to your safety too, being able to see things at night coming up on the road, to be able to slow down and avoid them. Okay, very simple, cost-effective install. Help modernize the look of your ride as well as increasing your safety. All right, so once again, I'd like to thank AUXITO, AUXITO.com, AUXITO.com. Check out their website for LEDs and some other accessories as well. All right, thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you for the next video.